Hi guys, welcome to another video of how do I do this one. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the windshield wiper blades in Mazda CX-5 2021 model. So as you can see, my wiper blades in my car have been already started dripping off in pieces. So all you need to do is you'll see a clip like this, a push button. So you have to push your nut and then slide it outward. Once you slide it out, this will come off. And I have the replacement ones, and make sure you buy the correct fitting ones, because the main thing about Mazda CX-5 2021 is both the wiper blades are not of the same size. So they are in different sizes. One will be 21 inches and one will be an 18-inch one. So I've got as you can see, this is a little smaller when compared to the other one, which is the bigger one. So the bigger one goes on the 21-inch will go on the driver's side, and the smaller one, 18-inch, will be going on to the passenger side. So make sure that you're doing it correct. So all you need to do is just push this button and then you have to slide it off. As you can see, I'm just pushing it and then I just slide it, pull it out, and then that's it. It comes off easily. And now I'm going to insert the new one. So have this, just go straight to it, and then once you align it, just slide it in. It locks. You should hear a click sound, which means your wiper blade has been fit. Now we are going to do the same thing for the other side as well, which is the driver's side. So all I'm doing is just lifting up a little bit gently and then push the button and slide it outward. As you can see, the latch came off and then it just falls off right away. So remove the old one and let's go ahead and put the new one again. And I have got Bosch twin blade Aero Twin 398S. And it was very easy for me to install it, so just slide it across and then all you need to do is just fit it in. Like as you can see, I'm just sliding in. So there is a metal here and it just goes and sit on the plastic on this will sit on the metal right over here. And once you have it, just keep sliding in. That's it. You have replaced the wiper blades for Mazda CX-5 2021 model. Please leave your thoughts and comments. If you like my video, please like and subscribe.